Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at an independent deck that was sent to me, so thank you so much. This is the Spectrowhirl Tarot. This is 78 hand-painted cards by Benjamin Allan Simon. It is independently published, like I said, and I will link in the description box everywhere that you can purchase or find this deck. It retails for $39.99, and there is a downloadable PDF of the guidebook. So let's take a look here. This is a nice tuck box. The back says, this tarot deck contains a kaleidoscopic collision of light, color, and whimsy. Every card is hand-painted on canvas with vibrant acrylics, creating 78 unique rainbow dreamscapes. A reading with Spectrowhirl Tarot provides an entirely immersive artistic experience, guiding you on a brief venture through surreal celestial wonderlands to bring you peace, clarity, and joy. I'm excited. I really love all of the bright colors. I love that it was hand painted. That's just so awesome. Ooh, it's a nice size. It's a little bit chubby and short. I like that. It's got a little bit of a gloss to it. That's a really cool back. All right, we've got black borders. This is an explosion of color for sure. Wow, there's so much to kind of latch on to. All right, cardstock. Ooh, it's nice. It's not terribly thin. There's a lot of flexibility to it, and it does snap back. So I imagine it being very nice to shuffle with. So we'll try that out after the flip through. Ooh. This is a trip. Oh, I love this. We have the black outlines here and the white. I love that attention to detail. The moon phases. Oh my gosh. What a unique deck. We've seen bright colored decks before. We've seen symbolic decks before, but this kind of encapsulates it all in a really unique way. And that hand painting on the canvas really comes through here. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but look at the detailing. So it really is like owning little masterpieces. This allows your intuition to kind of take flight with each card too. Oh. Oh, I love that. Hanging from a tree there. There's just so much to see in each card. I'm sitting here thinking about how much time it would take to make each individual little color there. Like, this has to be such a nice, proud thing to put together. You know what I mean? Like, it's your baby. Oh my gosh. Love that. Not to invalidate any other deck, I'm just saying there's something really cool about having hand-painted artwork for each card. Oh, wow. What? That is so cool. The vision for this deck is quite astounding. It's very fun, trippy, but also very symbolic. I feel like I can really gravitate toward the patience that each card kind of indicates because of all of the color and the detail. It feels very positive too. Definitely a standout type of deck. But to me, it doesn't feel overpowering to have all the colors. Like, they work. It looks like you're definitely, you know, in a different type of realm. Maybe like very imaginative. It's just very different. I'm really enjoying it. It's bringing me back to my Lisa Frank days. The Trapper Keepers, the folders, but different vibe altogether. But just the colorful, like, playful energy of the colors is bringing me back to that. Oh, we have a laurel wreath. That's really cool. This reminds me of Sailor Moon. Their wands that they use. It's been a hot minute since I've watched Sailor Moon. I feel like with every relatable comment out of my mouth, I just keep aging myself more and more. I like all the fire around it. That's really cool. You know, I can really appreciate not having, you know, people in the deck. I think that's an interesting choice. And it's interesting how they came about the different representations of this energy. Oh, wow. It's a deck that's probably not going to be for everyone because it is so very vibrant and loud and expressive. And I know a lot of people really like their traditional decks with the people in it. And that's fine. But this is really cool to show a different side of divination where it's just imaginative and it feels very free-flowing, artistic. I mean, in if you're going to sum it up into one word, that's what I would see. Oh, I really like how they did the background there. How fun. I'm loving these like tentacle looking bits. Those are fun. Just an explosion of color. Wow, that's intense. Oh, I like this version. It's so sweet and gentle and calming. It's interesting. Oh, wow. That's really cool. Little Twilight Zone. Oh, I like the addition of the eye there for the page. Oh, look at the little knight helmet. I like those clouds. Oh, very cool. The graffiti looking symbols on the brick, I like that. Still have the stained glass vibe. That's really cool. Bags. That exchange there. There's just so much to look at. Oh, I really love this one. And the last card. All right, so now we're going to see how it shuffles. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't have an issue with this. Just gonna get the top one here. We're gonna read for the Page of Cups here. All right, so this is the downloadable PDF. So it gives you a little bit of the info about the deck, a 1 card, a summit spread, and a past, present, and future, even an 8 card spiral here, which is really cool. And then it goes into the definitions here, the meanings of each card with a color card next to it, which is really cool. So you could print this out. You can keep it on your computer however you want to use it, but here's the Page of Cups. So you see the image there, and it says a small cup stands in a shallow but pristine pond of water, spouting an unassuming fountain from the top. The Page of Cups signifies the immaturity, curiosity, and vulnerability of youth. Maybe you have not yet fully emerged from the water and are still finding your legs. You have creativity and sincerity to offer to the world, but neither are fully developed. This is a beautiful opportunity to approach new challenges with an untainted mind and a pure emotional state. And then we even have a reversed meaning here. The negative attributes of the Page of Cups are the focus when the card is reversed. That immaturity can rear its head as childish naivety, and that vulnerability can easily get you hurt. Are you feeling insecure or emotionally exposed? You might be forced to grow up faster than you expected. So all in all, a really decent PDF file guidebook for the deck. I am not mad at it. All right, my final thoughts. I really enjoy this deck. It's definitely unique. It's probably not going to be something that everybody might enjoy because, you know, it's loud, it's vibrant, and it's very flashy, but I feel like it's done in such an artistic and grounded way. I don't see it being like if you were to place multiple cards on a spread here, I don't see it being overpowering, which, you know, some decks that have a lot of color and vibrancy to them can be. There's a lot of symbolism in each imagery. There's a lot there that, you know, you can keep coming back to the card and find something new each time. I really like that it allows your intuition to kind of take over and pick out the parts that are relevant to your reading. I think it shuffles just great. The cardstock's great. The guidebook is great. There's just enough information in there for beginners. So if that's something that you as a beginner are interested in, go for it. You know, anytime you're drawn to imagery or a specific deck, that's a good sign that you should look into it more for yourself. But I'm excited to start using it. I think it's fun. I am really, really happy with what I see. I like the size. The price tag, on point. It's an independently published deck. It is somebody's time and effort. It's not mass produced. I think that's really a decent price for one of those decks. So thank you so much to Spectrowhirl and Benjamin for sending this deck my way. I'm really grateful to you for allowing us to see it and experience it. It has been so fun. And thank you to you guys for watching. Let me know down in the comment section what your thoughts and opinions are on this deck. Do you like it, or is it too much for you? Or is it super creative and you're excited to look more in depth into it? Let me know all of that down below. And again, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thanks again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.